My skin became brighter and softer. Be sure to do this method once to see the result. 2 teaspoons of flour. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 teaspoons of milk. A spoonful of aloe vera gel. We have aloe vera gel. We start mixing with a fork. I will read all your comments and reply. Write me your comments and opinions. It was great, but let's go to test it. I suggest you use cotton, but you can also use your finger. Dip the cotton and apply gently on your face. You can use a hat like me, to use the mask more easily. You can help me a lot just by liking. Thank you for your like. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. Wait 5 minutes and then wash your face with warm water. You can massage your face with your fingers, at the same time. My skin became brighter and softer. Be sure to do this method once to see the result. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race,